These high school students from Washington State just arrived in New York City. They've come to take advantage of one of the Big Apple's most prized attractions, its forests. That's right. During the spring and winter of 2010, students from Washington State, New York City, and the Dominican Republic have been traveling to study each other's forests. Brought together by iEarn and the Bureau of Education and Cultural Affairs at the U.S. Department of State, these students are applying math, science, and a little Spanish to learn about conservation and management of natural resources. But international exchanges aren't just another walk in the woods. In a few hours, these students will get back on a plane to the Dominican Republic, where they will also learn what it means to be out of their comfort zone. The iEarn Tres Bosques, or Three Forests Project, an experience they'll never forget.
I know when we rolled into town the first day, there were some shock faces because they were doing homestays. Welcome! I don't think they really had much of a concept, and they were like, wow, are we gonna survive?
All right, Kara, have fun. We'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you. When I met my family, I was thinking, wow, this might be a little hard to communicate.
You speak Spanish.
Poco.
Okay, yo un poco de inglés también. Lo dije a Diana. Diana le puso una cosa de frío. Está en aquella otra cama.
It was awkward because none of us knew how to communicate with each other. We just tried to do our best. My name is Kara Valdez. I'm from Orville, Washington, and where I come from, this place is very, very different. Casey! Here! From Orville to my house, it's about a half hour, and you're like a mile to Canada. So, we're close. It's basically a farm. We have cows, and we have chickens, and we have horses, and cats and dogs. In the wintertime, you have to haul water, break the ice, feed the cows and animals. Every animal needs to be fed. This is something I do like every day.
Yep.
I'm looking to go to college, but I just don't know which one yet. I want to become a journalist. I want to get out there and experience the world. I'm excited. I'm really excited to go to the Dominican Republic.
And I'm really glad for her to go, and to be able to see a different culture, to learn and appreciate what you have at home and what they have there.
Fundamentally, kids leave Orville. You know, that's all remote schools, because there's no economic opportunity here. Being a small remote community, I've always wanted to connect my kids to the outside world. And iEarn put this together for us, and a set of schools in the United States develop a partnership with a set of schools in the Dominican Republic, comparing their forest. Of course, we're adjacent to a national forest here, and that's why it was a natural fit for us to come into the program.
Es un tanto difícil para una persona que viene de un país desarrollado venir a una escuela pública en República Dominicana, porque tenemos una sobrepoblación hasta de 50 estudiantes por curso, y muchas veces cuando viene un estudiante de otro país se siente un tanto raro, extraño.
¿Cómo te llamas? Ah, ok, Jenny.
Pero todo ha sido muy bueno porque los estudiantes de allá con los de aquí buscan la manera de cómo hacer las cosas y eso al final tiene un objetivo. Que es preservar nuestros bosques y también compartir nuestras culturas. ¿A ustedes les ha gustado el recorrido? Sí. Tenemos la Reserva Científica Ébano Verde, que son bosques nubosos que se ha utilizado para investigaciones científicas, ya que muchas de estas plantaciones están en peligro de extinción.
Everybody's like always has a smile on their face, or they're always happy about something. Can you imagine if everybody was this friendly in Orville? I was like, it'd be amazing.
Sí, yo soy una de esas que soy da más risa y soy muy alegre. Bueno, nosotros nos llevamos por ahora súper bien. Pasamos el día entero hablando, algunas cosas yo le pregunto muchas cosas, ella me dice a mí. Ella se lleva muy bien con mi familia también. Mi mamá es muy alegre, ella se ríe demasiado con mi madre.
This morning I woke up, I was still in my pajamas and everything, and Michaela was playing music on her phone because she's always playing music on her phone, and so her mom was like, dance, 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 and so she taught me the merengue and told me I was ready for the fiestas.
Students really learn a lot more from each other than just from me. I tell my students that learning a new language is not just learning how to speak, it's also learning the traditions and the cultures. The Dominican Republic students are very outgoing, they're very friendly and very accepting.
Y este programa ayuda a que esos jóvenes se hagan líderes para enseñarle también a otros estudiantes como ellos no tirar la basura, no cortar los árboles.
They're going to be voters. They're going to be participants in the economic system, so that when decisions are made about forestry issues, about any public policy discussion, they can then know it takes a lot more study and understanding rather than a superficial analysis of any issue.
In Oroville, they're not really outgoing students, and I'm seeing a totally different student here in the Dominican Republic.
Even now I'm thinking about what I want to do. It just opens a door for many opportunities, and I'm not just thinking about the United States now, I'm thinking about other places.
I love it here. Besides being homesick sometimes, I do love it here. I'll probably cry when I'm packing up and leaving because I made so many good friends.
The Tres Bosques Un Mundo program was made possible through a grant from the Office of Citizen Exchanges within the Bureau of Education and Cultural Affairs at the U.S. Department of State.